Hello everyone, this is a video series related to the engineering mechanics and we are discussing a point on centroid. So centroid basically is the geometrical center of any 2D object. So in a question paper a complex shape is given to you and they ask you to find out the centroid for this shaded area shown. So we'll start with the step number 1. We'll identify the standard shape from the given figure. So first shape is quarter circle. The blue color indicates it should be added in the figure. The next shape is of square. So you can see a square is present at this end. So again it should be added in the summation. At the end we have got a quarter circle. So it should be subtracted from the square to get the required shape. So in this way we can see we have got one quarter circle, then a square, then again a quarter circle which should be subtracted from the figure to get the required shape. Now we'll start with the step number 2. So we'll draw individual shape. So we'll start with this quarter circle. The radius of this quarter circle is 3 cm. That's why we get this base is equal to 3 cm and height is equal to 3 cm. Now we'll find out the centroid position. So this is the centroidal y-axis and centroidal x-axis. Now we'll find out this distance. This is equal to 4 into r divided by 3 pi by basic formula. So 4 into radius 3 cm divided by 3 pi. This vertical distance will be same 4 into 3 divided by 3 pi. Now we'll find out the x bar. X bar will be horizontal distance between centroidal axis and the reference axis. So this is your x bar, and y bar will be vertical separation between the centroidal axis and the reference axis. So this is the value of y bar. So first we'll start with the area. Now we know that this is the 1/4 part of circle. That's why pi r square divided by 4. Put the value of radius is equal to 3. So pi into 3 square by 4. So we get a area 7.067 centimeter square. This should be added in the figure. So that's why it is shown with a green color. Now we'll find out the x bar. Basically x bar is directly equal to 4 into 3 divided by 3 pi, and y bar will be same. So we'll get x bar and y bar equal to 1.273 centimeter. So in this way we have calculated the area, x bar and y bar for the quarter circle. Now we'll find it for the square. Square is present at this location. The only difference is that it is present in the second quadrant. So please make a note of that. It is present in the second quadrant. So in second quadrant x value is negative and y value is positive. So as per that we should mention in the x bar and y bar segment. So first the base of this square. Now say this radius is 3 cm. So this AD should be equal to 3 cm and DC should be equal to 3 cm. That's why we get the base of this square is equal to 3 cm and the height of this square is equal to 3 cm. Now we'll locate the centroid. Now the centroid position from this corner should be equal to base divided by 2. And height will be equal to from this corner height divided by 2. So it is 3 divided by 2. Now we have got the basic information. Now we'll find out the area. Area is equal to base into height. So 3 into 3. So it becomes 9 centimeter square. Now the value of x bar. X bar will be equal to 3 by 2. But as it is in the second quadrant, so it becomes minus 1.5 centimeter. Y bar is equal to height divided by 2. 3 by 2, second quadrant y is positive, that's why we can write 1.5 centimeter. Now you can say this is your x bar, horizontal distance between reference axis and the centroidal axis, and y bar is equal to vertical distance between centroidal axis and the reference axis. Now the last part, quarter circle, this one, it should be subtracted from the total area. So this is the location of the quarter circle. Now see the distance from C to O or O to C is total distance is 3 cm. That's why it is shown 3 cm. The distance of D to C is again 3 cm. So this is 3 cm and the radius of quarter circle is 3 cm. So we'll get the centroid somewhere here. Now this distance and this distance should be equal to 4r by 3 pi. So this is 4r by 3 pi and 4r by 3 pi. So 4 into 3 divided by 3 pi, 4 into 3 divided by 3 pi. Now the important thing is to find out x bar and y bar. Now x bar will be horizontal distance between reference axis and the centroidal axis, and y bar will be vertical distance between centroidal axis and the reference axis. So this is your x bar. Now x bar value should be equal, start from this point and should end at this point. So for example, this is your point O and this is your point C. So I will say this is point P. So if you want to find a distance OP, so it should be equal to OC, total distance, minus PC. So in this way you can find out the value of x bar. Now this is A and say this is Q. Suppose you want to find distance OQ, then OQ is equal to total distance OA minus QA. So this will give you the value of OQ. That is nothing but your y bar. So OQ is your y bar and OP is your x bar. So in this way we can calculate the values of first area. Area is equal to minus pi r square divided by 4. R is equal to 3 centimeters. So we will get the value area is equal to minus 7.069. Now the value of x bar. As we have discussed, total distance minus this CP. 3 minus 4 into r divided by 3 pi. So total sign is negative because it is on the x side and it is in the second quadrant. Okay, so here it should be a minus sign here. So 4 into 3 divided by 3 pi, so we'll get the value is equal to minus 1.727. Now we'll find out the y bar. Y bar is again OA minus AQ, means total length is 3 minus this 4 into 3 pi. So this is plus, not minus. Okay, 3 minus 4r divided by 3 pi. So 4, so this should be 3 minus, and just ignore this one and this one. So put the value r is equal to 3. So you'll get the value 1.727. Okay, so don't confuse here. X is equal to OP is equal to OC minus PC. So 3 minus 4r by 3 pi. This extra negative sign comes because it is in a second quadrant and on the x side. Here the sign is positive because it is on a y quadrant, right? So 3 minus 4r by 3 pi. Again this is 3 minus 4r by 3 pi. So we'll get one answer negative and one answer positive. Clear? So in this way we have calculated the value of area, x bar and y bar for quarter circle, then for square, and again for the quarter circle. Now we'll put this value in the table format. So we have got only 3 shapes: quarter circle, square and quarter circle. So put the values and find out the product of area into x bar and area into y bar. At the end find out the summation. Now we'll find out the x bar. X bar is nothing but summation of ai xi divided by summation of ai. So we'll get the value of x bar is equal to 0.856. Now the value of y bar will be summation of ai yi divided by summation of area. So by doing this calculation, we'll get the value of y bar is equal to 1.434. So as you can see, it is very easy to find out the centroid for any shape if you know the standard shape. And if you are able to find out area, x bar and y bar for that shape, you will easily formulate this table and easily you can find out the value of x bar and y bar. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.